Here at McFatter Technical College, we teach our students the local cuisine. We teach them what's happening here in the South Florida area in these restaurants, which is a lot of infused cooking from the Caribbean, Latin countries, the whole 9 yards. By preparing them properly here, they'll be ready for the industry when they go out.
All the chefs are just super genuine. They're very hands-on with you. They're very patient.
It will help other students that are really looking to branch out into this field. The instructors make learning fun. They make it easy to comprehend the skills, and they're very hands-on here.